Let's face it, we've always wanted to push that big red button that says do not push. With NKK Switch's FF01 series emergency stop push buttons, now you can. These switches are the perfect solution to stop an operation to prevent or halt a casualty. The e-stop switches feature a unique sliding latch mechanism that maintains the off state of the contacts, ensuring utmost safety and reliability. They operate within a temperature range of -25 degrees Celsius through 60 degrees Celsius and are IP65 rated. Ideal for use in a wide variety of applications that include factory automation equipment, fluid dispensers, laser measurement devices, and material handling. The switch's electrical capacity is 0.5 amps at 24 volts DC resistive load with a mechanical life of 100,000 operations minimum. Their excellent shock and vibration resistant properties provide high adaptability to harsh environments, even surviving a brutal button smashing from a panicked operator.